how to verify age on TikTok. So if you want to verify your age on TikTok, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you have your internet connection, you need to open up your TikTok. After opening, you need to go with your profile, which is on the bottom right, and go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then go with settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you need to go with privacy again, and now you need to go with account information, which will be on the top, or just simply go with account and tap on account information, and here you will have your phone number and your email, right? So here you will have an option to change date of birth, but if you don't find an option to change a date of birth, then you're already changed your age and you won't be able to change your age twice. So there's no option to change your age on TikTok. But if you've not added your date of birth, then you'll be able to add it, or then you'll be able to verify your age. But if you want to change, you won't be able to change it. In my case, I've already set, but if you've not set, you will have date of birth option right here on the third one. You need to just tap on it and then add or set a date of birth and go with save. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.